Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a dessert. It is super easy to make and very fun. I hope you enjoy this. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need 800 milliliters of orange juice, which you have to put into a bowl and add 70 grams of sugar and 20 to 70 grams of corn flour and mix it very well. And let's heat up the juice. Let it boil until you have this consistency. Keep it up for about 1 or 2 minutes. I'm using containers as glasses, but before I'm putting hot water into the glasses so the dessert is easier to take out. And now let's distribute the dessert into the glasses and then put into the fridge. But first of all, let it sit until it's cooled down. For about an hour to the fridge. When it's all done, take out the plastic and use a fork or a knife to separate the dessert from the glass. It's very easy. And now cut it into 4 pieces of dessert. And to decorate it more, you can add dried cocoa and plate it this way. It looks great. And do this to every piece. Also, you can add cashews or any nuts on top. And this is the result. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.